नुदों बयबो माबा गरम मोनखादों गरमा
from 667 Army Aviation Squadron, commanded by Colonel P.S. Rathore, Senior Medal, moving in a tactical formation carrying the national flag of India and Durand flag, skillfully maneuvered by the commanding officer himself and Captain Prasanna Kumar, and the second aircraft by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Sharma and Major Sakshay. Following these in a tactical formation are the two light combat helicopters known as Prachand, which is an agile unboarding prototype designed for combat operations in diverse terrain. Led by Lieutenant Colonel Ranveer Reva and Major Arvinder, and the second one by Lieutenant Colonel Tushar Banani and Major Samit. But not the least are the two advanced night helicopters, also known as drone. Leading aircraft is piloted by Lieutenant Colonel H.S. Tanwar and Major Vishal Singh, and the second aircraft by Major Rahul Chaudhary and Major Rakesh Vashish from 206 Army Aviation Squadron, the Indomitables.
Christopher Gladius Peter. Referee Assistant 2. Partnership Cafe. Fourth official Surajit Das.